Question 27c. The base of a water tank is in the shape of a rectangle with a semicircle at each end as shown. The tank is 1,400 millimeters long, 560 millimeters wide, and has a height of 810 millimeters. What is the capacity of the tank to the nearest litre? So I'm going to treat this as a volume of a prism type question, even though technically speaking it's not a prism because of the cylindrical components of this shape. We can still treat it as a prism. So volume equals area of the base, or is the base of the tank there, multiplied by the height of the tank. And of course we'll need to convert that into a unit of capacity, and we're asked to convert it to litres, correct to the nearest litre. Now, to make that a little bit easier, I'm going to convert all measurements to centimetres, because converting cubic centimetres to litres is quite straightforward. The other thing I need to consider is the radius of the semicircle. So let's look at the base of the tank. We need the area of the base. We can see that it's composed of two semicircles. So two semicircles brought together makes a full circle, of course, so we can just consider a full circle. And we have a rectangle in between the two semicircles. So the area of the base is pi times 28 squared, because the radius of the semicircle is 28 centimeters. So 56 centimeters is the diameter. That's how I got the 28. So area of the base is pi times 28 squared plus 140 minus 56. So that's the length of the rectangular part. So that's 28 centimeters there. That's 28 centimeters there. Of course, that's the radius of the two semicircles. And the length of the rectangle is 140 minus 56, and then multiplied by the width of the rectangle. That's 56 centimeters there. So I'll put that all in one calculation, and that results in 7,167.00864 square centimeters. Notice that I didn't round it there. I'm going to round at the very end. Now the next thing is to find the volume of the tank. So we take the area of the base that we just found, and we multiply it by the height of the tank. So volume equals A times H. And then multiply it by 81, and that gives us 580,527.6999 cubic centimeters. Now cubic centimeters is equivalent to milliliters. So in fact, I could just cross out the cm3 or the cm cubed and write ml in its place, since 1 cubic centimeter equals 1 milliliter. So to convert that then into litres, or the unit of capacity here in litres, we're going to divide this figure by 1,000, and that gives us 581 litres, correct to the nearest litre.